mama, she cha-cha. Ooh, little mama, a hottie, she like sriracha, yeah. I be thuggin', I ride around with the cha-cha, yeah. Put the beam on his fit and now it's a crop top, yeah. I know she like me, yeah, yeah. She wanna be my wifey, yeah, yeah. Ooh, little mama feisty, yeah, yeah.
Oh, it's your boy Bandz, you know what I'm saying? I'm coming at y'all with another banger. So check it. For today's video, I'm at Myers with it. I'm gonna be doing the fake coughing, sneezing prank. I've been seeing this trend. It's out to Smooth Geo, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna be fake coughing and sneezing for y'all. I hope y'all enjoy. Hope I don't get myself killed. But yeah, see you on the next clip. Oh, my bad. Huh? Nah, sick. First, follow me.
Wash hands often or use hand sanitizer. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. Put distance between yourself.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Inside of your elbow. Clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces daily. Mine is cleaning and sanitizing with high frequency to help close and mouth with unwashed hands. Avoid close contact with people who are sick and put distance between yourself.
Are you guys actually like pretending to sneeze on people, or are you actually sneezing?
Did you actually sneeze?
You sneezed on me.
No, I sneezed.
Yes, you did sneeze on me.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah.
There's one more left of these.
Oh, there's more. There you go. I got to do with these.
Sorry.
Yeah, those are mine.
Huh?
Those are mine.
I need them.
So do I. Put them back.
My wife needs them.
So do
You
I.
gotta understand.
They're over there, dude. Come back, man.
Yeah.
What's up? Yeah. Do you have permission to film inside the store?
I don't need permission.
Actually, you do.
No.
Yeah.
What? So we can't film inside the store?
No. Not without the store's no
6 feet,
permission.
bro. 6 feet, bro. Alright, we won't film. We got you. Still don't film anything. Alright, y'all. So Home Depot is really dead and dry. Can't find anybody, but whoever we find, doesn't matter how old they are, what race they are, how cute they are, still gonna get them. You feel me? I got y'all, bruh. Let's get into it. Oh shoot. You actually have what I need.
What's that?
You actually have what I need. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Well, they got them down there.
Can I use these ones?
No, that's for mine.
But I need them.
Yeah, it's down there.
No, I didn't see it.
Yeah, all the way down
Appreciate
there.
it, sir. I really do.
No, man.
Bro, I need this, bro.
Why are you taking mine?
Bro, it's the only one I need. It's the exact specific brand.
Yeah,
Honda.
You can get it right down there.
What aisle is it?
All the way down at the end.
All the way down
literally
there.
just follow this down. Once you dead end at the end of the store, it's right there.
Go ahead, man. You just led yourself the direction. Appreciate it, bro.
What are you doing, man? What is that?
What is what?
Why are you taking it out of my cart?
I need it, sir.
So, go get it.
You know what? Thank you, bro. Appreciate
Go
it.
get it, dude.
Follow me, follow me. prank. It's a 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 prank. Yo. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Matt Bandz. This is the next day after the prank. We had filmed the prank yesterday. Obviously, we couldn't film the outro because they called the police on us, and we had to handle a couple things. But I hope y'all enjoyed this banger video because it is a banger. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Oh, comment down below any new ideas you want to see me, like any videos you want to see me drop, because I'm on the grind, on the road to 1K. And yeah, bro, I love y'all. I appreciate all the support, and make sure you just hit that bell, man. Peace.
Hey, hey, hey. Mini Hollis and Lil Mama, she cha-cha. Ooh, Lil Mama, a hottie, she like sriracha, yeah. I be thuggin', I ride around with the cha-cha, yeah. Put the beam on it, fitting her, it's a crop top, yeah. I know she like me, yeah, yeah. She wanna be my wifey, yeah, yeah. Ooh, Lil Mama feisty, yeah, yeah.